So my girlfriend corner literally got the best lighting in the house, so I decided to film this here. Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today I just installed my M3 style mirror cap on my E90. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna throw up some pictures, and I'm also gonna throw up like a little installation clip. I'm sorry if my voice wasn't too loud in the video. I was in my parents' backyard and we have neighbors. I didn't want to be shouting and whatnot and get any complaint because I don't live there anymore. I live on my own. So I'm gonna throw up the video. You can watch it, and at the end of the video, you will see I'm gonna announce that I'm gonna be doing a giveaway for those same mirror cap. Well, not the same mirror cap, because the one I'm gonna be doing the giveaway for is gonna be for the LCI E90, and the description did say that same mirror cap works also on the E90 too. So you know that E91 is also covered, and also the E93. So enter the giveaway, win it, it's free. I'm paying for shipping and everything. All I'm gonna need is 100 people to enter the giveaway, not even, maybe 50 or 100. If it blows up, then you never know, we'll continue doing some dope giveaway. Maybe for every install, I'll do another giveaway. So I'm gonna throw up the video, and I'm also gonna throw up some pictures of the car before I install the wing, and after, not the wing, the mirror cap, and after I install it. So from what I was seeing, I think the prying this off shouldn't be a big deal. You might just need your prying tool. Don't know which one. More like that one is this one. Pretty sure this is gonna be dirty as hell. You don't wanna pry too hard because you don't wanna break anything. So you gotta pry and push outward. Pry and push outward. Pretty sure that's how you pry. Okay. Yeah. So I didn't break any clip, but this is pretty dirty. Got water seated in here, and that's what the back of that looked like. I don't have anything to clean this off at the moment, so I'm just gonna have to let me get a dirty ass cloth. Here's the first mirror cap going on. Okay, so that's the first one on. It doesn't seem to be it leaves a bigger gap than the OEM one for some reason. I don't know if you can see right here. It leaves a bigger gap for some reason. I think maybe the standoff that they put on it is just maybe like 1.5 centimeters higher, but it's not a problem. I don't think water could seep through that. So this is what it looked like from the front. That's the M style, and that's the regular one. So I'm gonna try to take off the other one, and I'll try to do some more explanation while taking off that one. Hopefully it's easy to come off. So this is the right side. Oh, so that's how it works. So these are the standoffs that holds it. No, this is the only standoff. These are the clips, and they're all in the middle. So it doesn't matter if you pry all the way over here. Just maybe to ease these a little bit. This is the fit quality. I do notice there's like a slight gap right here. It doesn't fully seal like the other one, but no one will ever notice that. And that's what it looks like with both of them on. So I'm hoping that you guys like that video. Maybe I need to project my voice more in the video. Maybe I need to talk more in the video. But I think the mirror cap do make a huge difference. It's just, I don't know, the M3 mirrors does look dope. I mean, I wish I could have gotten the authentic mirror cap. I mean, authentic mirror where it has that other little piece that comes out to meet the little wing on the mirror. But you know, those are like $1,400. I paid $150 for this. There's some other guys on like Colorado N54 or N50X or whatever. Rush Customs and Mashimoro. They're all selling these same mirror cap, so you could buy it from them. I did get mine from eBay because I'm kind of on a budget, but mine took like almost a month to get here, and theirs you'll get it maybe within a week or so. So I mean, it's an option to buy it from them, or it's an option to buy it from eBay. I'm just plugging them because those are cool guys. I like supporting small businesses, especially small business on this same platform. So if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment if you'd like to enter the giveaway. I'll probably try to ship that mirror like right around Christmas week or the week after Christmas week, which is probably gonna be New Year's. But like I said, it is 100% free. You don't have to pay for anything. Only thing you have to pay for is your time, which your time probably gonna be maybe 10 minutes in total, because you're gonna watch this nice little video that I just posted. And yeah, just enter the giveaway, leave a comment. I plan on like doing lots more stuff to the car. I'm gonna approach this a different way. I was gonna do all of my performance stuff, then I do all the visual mod, but I think I'm gonna do visual mod because visual mod gets more attention, and I am trying to seek that for my car. I hope that don't sound dumb in a way, but yes, I'm trying to seek more attention for the car. So yeah, enter the giveaway. I'll give that mirror away. I'm gonna install something again sometime next week. Yes, and I'll also give one of those away. I'm gonna be doing giveaway back to back, and yes, shipping is gonna maybe be over $100 when I'm done giving away like whatever I'm giving away. But yeah, stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. I hope I'm not plugging my subscription too much, but thank you. Have a good day.